Think a voluntary mental health stay can't affect your gun rights in New Jersey? It can. And under New Jersey's updated laws, even a past voluntary commitment could block you from legally getting a firearm permit, unless you get a mental health expungement. A lot of people in New Jersey are shocked to learn this. Maybe years ago, they checked themselves into a hospital voluntarily during a difficult period in life. No criminal charges. No violence. No arrests. But later, when they apply for a firearm permit or FID card in New Jersey, they suddenly get denied. Why? Because New Jersey treats certain mental health commitments, including voluntary commitments, as disqualifying records for gun ownership. And this changed recently. In the past, some people could overcome the issue with a doctor's note or a mental health evaluation. That is no longer enough in many cases. Now, the state may require a formal mental health expungement through the court system. So what exactly is a mental health expungement? It's a legal process that asks the court to remove records connected to voluntary commitments, involuntary commitments, findings of dangerousness, or mental health incapacitation determinations. But getting the expungement is not automatic. The judge will look at your current mental health status, your criminal history, any restraining orders, your reputation in the community, employment history, treatment records, and whether granting the expungement would be against public safety. The court essentially wants to know, are you stable now? And are you safe to legally possess firearms? One important thing people don't realize: even if the commitment happened many years ago, even if it was voluntary, even if there was never any criminal case, it can still create serious problems for gun permits in New Jersey today. That's why these cases need to be handled carefully. If you're dealing with a denied firearm application, a past commitment, or questions about restoring your gun rights in New Jersey, speaking with an experienced attorney early can make a major difference. If you have questions about mental health expungements or restoring firearm rights in New Jersey, contact the Tormey Law Firm for a free consultation.